I'm mother of twins, Theodora and Victor. Theodora is a girl with IDD, intellectual disability. She's having Down syndrome. And that was the reason why I started connecting with the people who are working with the people with disabilities. We have started a friendship program where we connected people with disabilities with volunteers to become friends. Because our children do not have actual friends. They have family, they have some kind of support. Depends on the family and friends, but they do not have actual friends. After they finish primary and secondary school, they are at home mainly, without job, without any activity, without socializing, without they can't get on a coffee with somebody. They can't go to the movie, to the theater with somebody. They can go for a walk like we do.
With the help of Goran and Just Dance Studio, we're trying to figure out methods to better teach and integrate the people with additional needs into this artistic lifestyle, into communities. Because through art and mainly performing arts, dancing, acting, music is also performing art. We try to help them be included in society, and by figuring out a method where we can better teach them these art forms, we can then be of better help to them. So that's the main objective of this project.
We give them some opportunity to socialize, to meet their friends. Really, it's really ladies. They are coming regularly, they have some activity. Really, they are learning very easily, of course, by some methods. But how to tell you, we are happy in that way. Then when you're working with them, actually, you don't expect too much, you know. Whatever, it's like I spoke with the parents many times, you know, with the parents of them. So they give them maximum to take minimum from them, you understand? So if you don't give them nothing, it's nothing. So we put a lot of efforts in that way to take from them something. For us it's minimum, for them it's really a lot.
At the beginning they had 2 left legs. It was like that, they had 2 left legs. But now, after time and practicing, and they became a very good group that know to dance. I don't know, 4 or 5 kind of dances. So we're very proud of them. We are very proud of their development and their success in that kind of activity.
Our dancing is actually, all this kind of dancing, ballroom dancing, it's about rhythm. So we are giving the different rhythms, which is very difficult for them. Some of them are easy, like 4/4 and some easy steps, you know. So some of them, they're not so easy, yeah? So in that way, it's more about motoric, about biomechanics, you know, how they will, because for them it's very difficult to move. Some of them, when they came first time, they couldn't move at all. They couldn't move at all. Now you see smiley faces, speaking with the people around and moving.
When we were approached about this project, it was a no-brainer for us really, because music, dance, all of those kind of areas cross over a lot of the difficulties that we're having in the world today. You know, they're down to language barriers. There's a lot of movement around the world, a lot of forced movement around the world, so you have a lot of displaced people. And when it comes down to it, art, music, and those kinds of things are where we all kind of come together. And food is the other one. But so we were very excited about this project, and what we're looking to do is capture the magic, you know. So we have the music end of it, the dance end of it. There's a lot of really great work going on there, and we're hoping to learn a lot about this inclusive approach, and we're hoping to capture that and help them create the tools and resources within this project, so that not just the 3 partners directly involved in the project can benefit, but that learning gets captured and can be passed on to endless other people across the European Union.
With this project, I genuinely believe that we can destigmatize this sort of toxic relationship in society between neurotypical people and neurodivergent people, and it's something that has personally affected me. I've been called various slurs, I've been discriminated, I've been kind of segregated from the social circle of the other kids, and I think it's really important to teach them young. Teach the kids from an early age that we are also people, we experience emotions, and we are passionate about the exact same things that you guys are passionate about. And, you know, it's not even about us and them at this point, it's about all of us, and that's the whole point of the inclusivity. It's to break those boundaries, it's to break those superficial barriers that we've created, and to be able to truly understand one another.
What we're doing in Ireland is basically working with some very amazing people to develop a curriculum for dancing and music that helps include everybody into those disciplines. This can link both music and dance in this way, you know, helping with musicality as well as movement. You can literally feel the music as you're dancing to it, and you can literally hear your movement because you're playing it.
We had ciphers and battles, okay, which is great fun because it means that stuff that we had taught in class or any of the cards or anything, and even own creative steps, you get to battle then against each other, so it's great fun. It brings out so much confidence, you know. So how we do the battles is we have two teams and a battle. The battle decides who goes first.
Hip-hop is like the big forte. What interests me about hip-hop is it is such a way for the young people to express themselves. And this is amazing. And this would be, especially people with additional needs, once they hear the beat, there's so much to it. There's the breaking, there's the popping, there's the locking, there's the crump. When they're in a bad mood, they all start crumping. The locking makes everybody happy, that style. Yeah, the breaking, they have the beat boys and the beat girls, and they'll have a dance off with each other. Nobody touches each other, there's no fighting, but they'll get on the floor and they'll dance off, and and the support of everybody else. So I find that the hip hop culture is wonderful for expressing.
Prep, dust, prep, dust, and we go again, shoulder, down, shoulder, down, and we drop.
Everyone really enjoyed what we did today, including me, if that matters. Every person felt like they were included, they were engaged, which was very important to us. And this shows that what we developed until now managed to accomplish what we were trying to achieve. Apart from the fact that they were a huge success, both dancing and music, we figured out how to make them both inclusive, easy, paced just right, not too quick, not too slow, and how to assess the level of the student and tailor the lesson to what the student needs.
A fost o experiență super plăcută, din punctul meu de vedere. Chiar nu mă așteptam să luăm lecții de hip-hop. A fost o surpriză și chiar m-am simțit, să zic așa, în largul meu. Au fost niște explicații foarte clare, foarte precise și m-am distrat super mult.
Dancing, it's a little bit out of my comfort zone. So I was a bit like stressed out when I found out we're gonna dance, especially hip hop. But surprisingly, everything turned out very good, and I actually enjoyed the lesson. And the instructor as well. She was very clear on the instructions and made me feel very, very good and gave me a sense of belonging, especially when we did the choreography together.
Everything is so inclusive. You can talk freely to anyone, and everyone seems so happy to have you. And it's such a great feeling to know that you are welcomed here.
So apart from Down Plus Bucharest, which is our lovely host, we also have Music for All School. We also have from Belgrade, Best Buddies, and Just Dance. And from Ireland, our friends from Europe.
I like to learn, so I learn a lot, actually. But I can tell you that I'm very satisfied, very happy, because actually the idea was very good. So at the end, results are, how to tell you, for me 100%, achieved. Because I used to work with a lot of people, but I'm happy that I met at the end, all of you guys, and because we have such a good cooperation, because we understand each other. We understand what we have to do it and everything. So for me, it was really, really, really super.
Even though Serbia and Romania are far from Ireland, we all have a common ethos and a common belief that one of the key areas for integration is through the arts, and particularly through dance and through music, which go beyond language, they go beyond ability, they're common to everyone and everyone can relate to them. And it's something that we have seen as we've been filming over the last months. We have just seen how powerful this is, how emotional it is, just seeing people of all abilities able to express themselves through music and through dance. It's mind-blowing for us. It's really emotional, and just something that we can see being used in other projects, in other areas of integration in all our countries, and definitely in Ireland.
When we started doing this, we saw that we have a need. The need to teach our students, our neurodivergent students, but we didn't have the means to do that. We didn't have the method to do that. So, in my opinion, we had to find a way to develop something if we don't have it. Okay, don't search for it. You search once, twice. If there is no such thing, then develop it yourself. So this is how the project started. And what a journey it has been. Going to Belgrade first, seeing the way they work, learning from them, seeing how good they are at their inclusivity and how good they are with their own students and learning their method. Then coming to Ireland, and for us, it wasn't just random choosing Ireland. We know that Ireland is #1 in Europe for integration of people, so choosing Ireland was really good because we saw what actual integration is with people that are typical and neurodivergent being together as one, having one group of dancing. And for us, that was incredible because you don't really get that here. And we want to start doing that. So we learned that as well from the Irish. And coming back here, we've implemented what we've discovered. We've started working with different organizations, and it's showing.
parteneriatul dintre România, Irlanda și Serbia a fost un foarte mare succes, astfel încât am decis să scriem și o continuare a acestui proiect, un proiect mai mare, în care să aducem mai mulți parteneri și un proiect pe care să-l extindem și să obținem rezultate mult mai bune decât am obținut acum.